Hello, this is Scott Pacino, editor of Telecoms.com here at DTW24, which is a trade show that focuses on digital transformation and innovation. The organization that runs DTW, the TM Forum, has just released version 2 of a white paper called Digital Twin for Decision Intelligence, which is abbreviated to DT4DI. And so today I'm speaking to Mr. Zhang Lei, who's Vice President of Huawei Network Performance and Converged Data Operations, to discuss how that white paper and that project facilitates digital transformation. So Huawei is a core contributor to this project.
Sure.
So could you just outline the new perspectives and value that the release of this DT4DI white paper brings to the industry?
Sure. Thanks for having me, Scott.
Pleasure.
So, frankly speaking, I'm very honored to be involved into the DT4DI work stream. And during the last several years, we contribute a lot into this work stream. And the idea and the target is to realize the faster and more precise decision making for the operator's daily operation. And we have adopted some technologies like data twins, like AI, and also for some of the decision intelligence, together with the operator's workflow and process. So we are trying to help the operator to solve the complicated problems in the complicated scenario, and to release their traffic dividend, and to get more revenue in the future, to create more business value, not only to improve the operational efficiency. So on the top of white paper 1.0, the 2.0 is, we can see we add the NPS management methodologies, not only for the network-related NPS, but also for the product and service-related NPS.
NPS stands for Net Promoter Score, and it's a commonly used sort of measure of like customer satisfaction and that sort of thing. And I know that operators or carriers have always faced challenges in terms of monitoring and measuring and optimizing satisfaction management. So why did the DT4DI project team choose this particular direction at this time?
This is a very good question. Actually, based on the forecast of GSMA, in the next 5 years, the newly added mobile subscribers per year is just 1.7%, which means the operator, if they want to get more revenue, they have to think about how to get more value in their installed base mobile subscribers. But the subscribers is related with network, with the service, and with the product. So even the NPS is a very good approaches to estimate if the subscribers are satisfied with the operator's service. We still need to think about if it can reflect all the aspects for the satisfaction. So first at all, the current NPS survey is not good enough because the sample is too small. And usually operators will do the survey offline, maybe just once per quarter. So the secondly is actually if subscribers they are not happy with the operator's services, the root cause for their unsatisfaction are not so easy to get the exact reason. And the third one is actually the autonomous of the process is not so good. If, for example, if one subscribers they are not happy with the operator, maybe the reason is about the packages and the tariff is not so good. They need to design it again and push it to the customers by a suitable channel. So this is why we think that by the help of DT4DI's framework, we can make the NPS management more data-driven and more digital, more autonomous.
Okay, well that sounds really promising for the industry. I mean, if you can identify and optimize sort of customer satisfaction issues in real time. Obviously, that could make massive differences to things like churn and all that sort of thing. I'm just wondering from a Huawei point of view, so obviously you're involved in this process yourself.
Yes.
What does Huawei do and how is it applied to carriers?
So still, we are facing lots of the challenges to our CARM. But by some of the new technologies adoption, we have some global best practice. The first example is from China. By identifying the potential unsatisfied subscribers, we have already helped the operator to improve their product-related NPS. How can we do this? That is because we have some information from voice and data consuming behavior. And together with them, we can identify if the subscribers will be happy or unsatisfied with the whole tariff and their packages. So by using our graphic engine powered by smart decision solution, we have such kind of progress. So the marketing operation efficiency has been improved, and the conversion rate for the campaign has been improved 20%. And the second example is from Indonesia. We have done some of the cross-domain analysis, the historical detractors data, the complaint data, and the poor experience subscribers data. By the helping of our spatial temporal digital twin solution, we identify the potential detractor in terms of the network-related reasons. So this is related with the network NPS. We can easily find the root cause why they are not so happy with the network, and to do some of the network optimization in advance. The accuracy of the potential detractors identification is almost 70%, and we have already improved the NPS score 5%. The last example is from Thailand. We have cooperated together with the customer service staff of the operator by using the data from complaint subscribers and the poor network experience data. We can identify if the customer has some willing to complain. So by this way, we reduce the customers' complaint ratio up to 30%, and the churn rate has been greatly reduced.
That's a great summary of how certain emerging technologies, including digital twins and AI, are contributing to this, overcoming these long-standing obstacles to do with NPS management. And that's what I was going to ask is, what are the objectives and future plans for Huawei in the next phase of this project?
Thanks to TMF, actually the DT4DI white paper 2.0 has already brought us a very good framework and approaches to develop the suitable NPS management solution. And in the future, some of the new technologies like LLM, the Gen AI will be more adopted in the solution. And also, we are looking forward to going together with the global operators and the suppliers to contribute more use cases together. And I think in the future, the NPS management approaches will be more digital and be a good way for the customer to face the challenges of growth. Yeah.
That's brilliant. That's all my questions, and you've done a great job of wrapping up what's quite a technical and complicated area, and it sounds like a really exciting area to be in. So I look forward to hearing about future progress.
The pleasure is mine.